Hello, my name's Matthew Crampton. I'm part of the PGG Wrightson Technical team. Today I'm standing in a crop of barley, and like most crops, it has a weed challenge in it. Most crops that you're going to deal with, they'll need a herbicide to go over them at some point to try and keep the weeds out, because weeds can severely impact on your final yields. The two strategies that you're going to look at most commonly is pre-emergent or a post-emergent herbicide. A pre-emergent herbicide is one that's usually applied straight after drilling. The chemical is on the soil, and as the weed seeds germinate, they die. And this is a great way to break the back of the weed burden that you can have in your paddock, and it may even result in you not needing any more weed control. A post-emergent herbicide is where you identify the weeds that are in the paddock and you apply the chemical over the paddock, directly hitting the weeds and taking them out. So the weed burden we've got in this paddock, we've got wireweed and we've got some grass weeds. So there's a product selection that's had to be made to take out those two very different weeds, the wireweed being a dicotyledon weed and the grass weed being a member of the grass family. Interestingly, you can see with this one here that the herbicide has started to take effect, and we can pull out the centre tillet, and so the growing point has been taken out, and so this plant won't give us any more trouble. The weed control strategy that you employ in your cereal crop will often come down to a number of factors. I think we all realise that on farms it's about coming up with a strategy and a program, and it could be worthwhile taking the time to have a discussion with somebody who knows what your requirements are. So get in touch with your local PGG Wrightson rep, or go down to your local PGG Wrightson store.